going on, guys? So I got a Prizm pack here, and went to my card shop, local card shop, and picked up some Pokemon cards for my son. We're gonna do another video later on, probably tonight. Sun and Moon Mines pack, Battle Styles, Crimson Evasion, and Darkness Ablaze. The Charizard on top of there. And then he also did have booster packs. So it says $7, but I didn't pay that. I paid like $4. So he hooked it up. And then I finally found some penny sleeves there, and my PSA cards, perfect fit sleeves. He had a pack of this, so picked those up so my cases don't get ruined. And some Prizm I'm going to open up right now. So this is 15 cards inside. It says Prizm 2020. Let's see. So very cool. And then the Panini. This is probably the ones with the color in it. I'm not too sure, but let's crack this open first. Hope everyone's doing good. I'm sweaty. This mode killed like 1,000 ants. All right. Big Ben. I like that. Nice and shiny. Evans. Linebacker for the Titans. He's numbered. All right. Well, this isn't that much. Patriots rookie, Devin. I was hoping for a little bit better rookie than that, but I'll take it. Tight end. All right. Now the big pack. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. Haven't bought a pack in a long time, so figured I'd do a video. Cole. I don't know if they're Chad Johnson, Ryan Fitz, Graham, Derek Carr, Miller, Greg Zerline. I think he got traded, didn't he? I think he's playing for the Cowboys now. Teddy Bridgewater. Okay, the rookies are coming up now. This is the last vet, I think. Don't want to look. All right. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Tyler Lockett. This is really cool. I don't know if this one's numbered. Green. Are these numbered? No, they're not. Centering's way off, though. You can tell from the backside, left to right. The green, it's way thicker on this side. But yeah, very cool. Fireworks. Lamar Jackson. Are these numbered? I don't think so. No, just an insert. McKinney. Last card, McKinney. He's a safety. Who does he play for? Oh, the Giants. Okay, yeah. But that's a cool green insert. Rookie insert. I love that. That's cool. Here it is again. Well, hope everyone's having a good day and a good weekend. And I'll see you in the next video.